Hey everyone, today I'm making homemade gummies, and to get started with that I'm going to be using juice. I've got apple juice today and cherry juice. I've got vanilla, honey, and unflavored beef gelatin. And so to get started, I'm just going to put 1 cup of my juice. I'm doing 1 cup of apple juice, and I'm going to put that in my saucepan with 3 tablespoons of my gelatin. So we're going to be using a total of 3 cups of juice, and I like to do about 1 tablespoon of gelatin per cup of juice. And so I'm just going to do some heaping tablespoons there of this gelatin. You want to look for a good quality grass-fed beef gelatin. It has so many good health benefits. Gelatin is really good for healing the gut. If you're having gut issues and you want to work on that, you can eat a few of these a day or a few before every meal, and that really helps. It's a great bedtime snack that can give you a little bit of protein and carbs before you go to bed. Kids really like to eat these, and it's really good for them too. Gelatin is also really good for your joints and your skin. It can help your hair. So it's just really good to have, and just a little quick snack to grab. These are also really fun to make with kids. So you can see I'm just heating up this mixture, and once it turns kind of syrupy looking and transparent, then I know it's done. So you just kind of want to bring it up to maybe a low boil, or just till it gets to that transparent stage. Stir it up really good. You'll know it's ready, and then you're just going to add the rest of your ingredients. I'm doing 2 cups of cherry juice. Sometimes I like to switch out the cherry juice for orange juice, and that's really good too. Then I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of honey. Just want to mix that up really good to get all the honey mixed in there. It's really good to use a whisk. I don't know why I wasn't using a whisk today. You're going to pour that in your pan and let it sit in the freezer for about 20 minutes or in the fridge for a couple hours until it's just firmly set in the middle there. And then you want to just get it out of your pan, and I just like to put it in my pan and then cut it into squares. You can also use those cute little silicone molds. Those are fun. I just find this super quick and easy, and I just cut mine in 6 by 6 squares, so that it's about 36 squares total. And then I like to put mine in a plastic container in the fridge. So I'll just stack it up in here, and I'll just have this in my fridge, and we can grab it for snacks or whatever. This is also a really fun recipe to make with kids. You could have them use those silicone molds, or you could even have them use little cookie cutters and cut out the gummies, and that would be really fun. So as you can see, this is just a super easy recipe. It's quick to put together, and really anybody can make it. It's also very customizable. You can use any types of juice that you like. So I hope you try this recipe, and I hope your family enjoys them like we do.